Long time back, programming was there, but it was not much into action. We have to do the tasks manually. It took a lot of time and effort, but now, thanks to programming, we can automate processes by managing finances with apps and connecting with friends worldwide through social media. For instance, programming allows us to book flights online instantly, something that used to require a phone call or travel agent. It has transformed the industries and revolutionized the way we live and work. In this big deal of today's world, even if people are working around different sectors, why is programming very important?
Oh, hell yeah, it's necessary. Let's do it.
First, it makes you really creative. It helps to turn your wildest ideas into creativity. Either you want to create a game or you want to build any massive project ideas, coding makes it possible. Have you heard of Flappy Bird? A simple game, yet powerful, was created by a single developer. He was able to turn a simple idea into a global sensation. Next is supercharging your problem-solving skills. Coding helps you to break a big problem into smaller, manageable ones.
Okay, we have some issues here.
This skill is super useful not only in tech but in everyday life too.
Fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it. Fix it, fix it, fix it.
Imagine you're organizing a large event and you need to manage the guest list. Instead of manually checking each and every guest, you can write a program which will automate the process so that you'll save a lot of time and even the arrangements would be made smoothly.
Thanks, I need these for the guests.
Hey, those are mine.
Next one is boosting efficiency. Ever have you wished to automate boring and repetitive tasks? Programming can help you do that, to automate most of the tasks so that you can save time and invest your time in some other works. For example, think about the self-checkout machines in supermarket. This could save a lot of time by allowing customers to check out as soon as possible and also to scan items, process payments and even handle coupons so that customers can check out quickly and also staffs can save a lot of time. Next one is opening career doors. Tech is booming rapidly and has its impact on many other industries like automobile industry, chemical industry, and programmers are in high demand.
Developers, 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 developers.
From developing software to working with AI and using AI, programming can help you to land various opportunities.
An opportunity well taken is always a weapon of advantage.
For example, take Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft. He started his career as a programmer and gradually he lands himself as one of the CEO of the largest tech companies in the world. The coding skills has actually helped him to climb in the ranks in the tech industry. If you are watching this video right now, a like and subscription to the channel would really mean a lot. Next one is connecting the world. Social media, messaging app, video calls, WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram all helps us to connect with various people around the world.
I don't follow rules. I follow dogs on social media.
These all are powered by programming and these helps us to send messages, make video calls, exchange documents and also helps us to connect the entire world together by exchanging information with friends and family everywhere despite the distance.
Less Facebook and more face-to-face.
Next one is advancing science. Scientists use programming to analyze data and make discoveries.
You know, I'm something of a scientist myself.
Whether it's climate data or finding new medicines, coding is a key to find and identify many key breakthroughs. For example, the Human Genome Project, which mapped all the genes in human DNA, relied heavily on programming to analyze and interpret massive amount of generic data. This has led to breakthrough in understanding diseases and also developing new treatments.
This is supposed to make us feel better.
Next is building digital literacy. Understanding how technology works is as important as understanding how to read and write.
You live and you learn.
Learning to code helps you to navigate the digital world with confidence.
The world is ours!
Imagine you're trying to fix a problem in your computer. If you know some basic programming, you can understand the error messages, also know how to debug and also make you troubleshoot issues more effectively, making you self-sufficient in this modern digital world. Next one is personal growth. Learning to code challenges you and helps you grow.
I'll do what you love and you'll never work a day in your life.
Developing a love and passion towards coding can help you to learn more and more, keep your mind engaged, and also help you in learning skills that will help you in every part of your life.
I need help.
Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft, started programming when he was a teenager. Learning to code taught him persistence and problem-solving skills, which helped him to build one of the largest influential companies in the world.
My brain is too powerful for that.
Do you think programming is important, or if you think it's not important, let me know in the comments below.
Why must people hate?
It wasn't that bad.
So whether you want to innovate or solve problems or understand the code better, programming can really help you to do that. If you're interested in programming and some curious topics, feel free to check out my channel. See you until next time. Bye.